Hi, I'm Rocco Lisa, District Sales Manager for the Fuzion brand here at Keystone RV. Today, I'm sitting in front of the never-seen-before Fuzion 425. This triple-axle side patio floor plan is a game-changer for Fuzion's lineup. We know from the success of the Fuzion 424 that side patios are popular. After all, who doesn't want more outdoor entertainment space? With that, we knew it was time to revamp the layout, so we got to work to create a unique floor plan that is different from anything else in the market. I know that you can't wait to check it out, so let's take a look at the inside. One of the first things that you'll notice is our brand new interiors. For 2024, Fuzion got a makeover. Not only is the inside refreshed, but when we go back outside, you'll see some exciting changes there as well. But you'll have to stay tuned. Stepping into the open concept kitchen and living area, the space feels huge due to the dual opposing slides. In the kitchen, we are keeping the great stainless steel residential sized appliance packages that our owners love. At first glance, you'll notice that there isn't an island, but there actually is. Tucked away in the large pantry is a rolling island that can be moved around the coach for multiple purposes, including making a great meal prep space. The living area has theater seats that are directly across from the entertainment center with an electric fireplace and 55-inch smart TV. Great cross-conversational seating is created by the addition of a hide-a-bed sofa which doubles as more sleeping space for guests. From the living room, you can access the large side patio through a 54-inch sliding patio door. This space is complete with a 40-inch TV, making it an entertainer's dream. Next to this patio is an outdoor kitchen with a pull-out cooktop and mini refrigerator as well. Stepping into the 13-foot garage, this space is equipped with Fuzion's Adjust-A-Track frame-welded tie-down system that gives owners 38 points of contact, allowing for a much safer journey for whatever they are hauling. The garage also features Fuzion's standard HappiJac bed system or the optional garage bar, depending on owner's preference. Both double as additional sleeping space. Different from most other floor plans, the loft bunk area / storage is accessed through the garage and not the main living area. You also have access to a half bath, and just like every other Fuzion floor plan, it does not take up any of your garage floor space. Upstairs in the master suite, we've changed up the bathroom configuration a little bit by moving the toilet to the other side, adding more counter space and a built-in linen cubby. The bedroom features an east-west king bed slide and full front closet with washer-dryer prep, plus built-in dresser directly across from the bed with a TV mounted above. All right, I know that I teased some exciting things on the exterior earlier, so let's go check it out. The first thing that you will notice is our brand new exteriors for 2024. This refreshed look still gives you the bold features that you expect with Fuzion, but adds to it with new multicolored skirt metal that even allows for full decal coverage. Another noticeable change for 2024 is Fuzion's new front cap. This design is more ergonomic, allows for more interior front storage, and an incredible lighting setup. One of my favorite exterior changes, though, is the new combined front and pass-through storage. By opening the pass-through and front storage, this space is more easily accessible and allows for owners to store larger items. The space itself is wide open with about 17 square feet of exterior storage. Another exciting change in this space is the newly redesigned LP compartments. They are now located on the side for much easier access when removing to fill the tanks. Thanks for checking out the brand new Fuzion 425. We are so excited to be showing off this new and exciting floor plan. Keep an eye on our website and YouTube channel as we unveil some more exciting new product updates for 2024. If you want more great content, make sure that you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can help you camp better.